Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing our Friday freebie special edition. It's the calendar. I finally put mine all together. I printed all of them. I've got them all. I printed them all out and I bound them in a spiral bound so that I don't lose anything and things don't get all, wonky and weird. So we've got our, we've done January and February. So let me see if I can get this. It's just kind of nice to have it all in a nice binder like this. We've done our pocket for, you can't tell it's there unless you put something in it. Our cute little January girls. They're adorable. Then we've done February. We've got our pocket. Like I said, you can't see it's there till you kind of figure that out. But I think it's really pretty to have all this in one place. Now you can go back and do different things with this. My paper dolls are on my gallery wall. I did show a picture of what I'm doing with those. So, not just the ones in here, but the ones that I'm doing for other things. So this is March. March is awesomely cute. It's the beginning of sort of springtime, right? A little bit of green happens. Snow goes away mostly, that kind of thing. So we've got our March calendar, super duper cute. And we've got, this is going to be our pocket page. We'll do that in a minute. Let me lay that to the side. We've got our writing page here. And then this is going to be our pocket here. And we've got another writing page here. And then a March girl. Super cute, right? And then another March girl. They're so adorable. I think that's all. Yeah, we don't want to go to April because we're saving that for, next month. Okay, so we've got our March happening here. They're just so cute. Every time I look at this, and I've looked at it so many times, but I just still say, they're so cute. They're so cute. And they are. They are. They are. Okay, now this is one way to do it. You can stick it with some magnets on your fridge. You can do whatever you want to do. I made flip calendars as well. So I've got calendars that that's on my wall that are bound at the top. And so you flip them. You just have the calendar on like this on one page, and then down below it you have or up above it. It's up above it. Up above it, you have your calendar girl. Your whichever one you want to do, or both of them. I mean, you're only going to have 2 pages showing. So, if you do the flip one that way. Anyways, also, I've got my March printed out for in here. Yeah, it's a little mucky, but hey, I use this. This is my business. This is my whole, everything. So I've got March printed out for in here. I do this, I poke the holes, and then I fold it this way. There's nothing scheduled yet, but there's going to be. I've got, this is I put the lines on the back in case I want to write something, because I do on occasion. So I write all my scheduling in, do all the things that I'm doing. This is this one, and write them in my little blocks so that I know what I need to do. I need to get this done before this date, that kind of thing. So you can use these a lot of different ways is my point, okay? There's a lot of different things you can do. They're adorable. They're beautiful. That's my opinion, but, I'm going to stick with it. So I'm going to put our pocket in here. We can do a lot with this. Like I said, if you didn't want to do a calendar, leave the calendar off and use the other pages. That's a thing. So we're going to go to 3 inches. And, well, I'm going to go a little more than 3 inches because these are, I don't want to chop their heads off. So, yeah. Like so. There we go. We'll put this to the side. and go to scoreboard mode. I've got something, if you're getting bored, don't leave yet. I've got something to show you at the end of this video, something I've been working on. You won't want to miss that. A sneak peek at the next journal kit. It's so cool, so fun, and super cute. And, you know, as you can see, I'm going to be going with my score line across their, you know, like cutting their ankles off kind of thing. But that's okay, because we're going to line that up on the page and we won't lose anything, right? We're going to make a gusseted pocket, just like so, like that. Okay, get this out of the way. And then we will fold. I didn't backside print this because there's no reason to. White is fine. And yeah, you really can't tell that this pocket's even there because I'm not putting any trim or anything like that. I know that's weird for me, but I just wanted it to be a really sneaky kind of hidden pocket, right? Let me move this up a little. I don't want to get all my stuff on there. I'm going to take that little angle like so, and I'm going to take this one off. Just don't need the bulk in the corners, right? Okay, and a little bit of an angle there, and a little bit of an angle there. Hopefully I'm staying mostly in shot. Okay, I don't know. Sometimes I look back at the video and I go, oh, I could have stayed in shot better than that, in that one. Sorry, it's a thing. But I do try, so I do try. All right, we're going to put our tape on here. Just adorableness, adorableness, adorableness. And very functional, right? Very, very functional. I do like a hidden pocket. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that. So, there we go. I like a stacked image pocket too, because that way you don't lose any of the pretty, right? Okay, let's get this. We're going to do our bottom first, because that's how I roll. Okay. Just want to get your, along that score line really good. Okay. Now, I want this to fold up and under there. Just wanting to, you know, be that way. Okay, let's get this lined up. We've got arms and legs and all the things to line up, right? Like so. Yep, just like so. It's pretty much that simple. So we don't lose anything. Not nothing. Okay? Alright. Let's get this one on there. Turn this around. Yeah, I knew that it would be a little awkward putting the pockets in with it already bound, but I wanted to get it together so that this video would be really just super simple and easy, you know. On this particular Friday, we have just super simple and easy and quick, and maybe I can find some little things to share, like this new journal kit that's going to be coming out in April. I try to get one done quarterly. So this is a sneak peek, at what's coming out. My members for the channel will get it for free. Everybody else, it's in my shop. If you're in another country, the way I do my workaround for that is if you become a member of the channel on YouTube or Ko-Fi, you can do that one. You get it a quarterly kit for free. Okay, so that's and that way I'm not selling you anything. You're getting it for free, you know. So it's that kind of thing. It's a workaround, I know, but it's the best I can do with all the craziness going on with things, you know what I mean? So, okay, we've got our pocket in. Let's give it another. I got to give you that sneak peek, but this is so pretty, isn't it? It's just gorgeous. Now we got our pocket page in there. And you can't tell it's there unless you know. If you know, right? Okay. So there you go. And there's our, oh no, we don't want to see that one yet. We don't want to see the April. It's not time. Okay. We've got our pocket in. We've got our March calendar ready to roll. And use it, guys. Whatever way you want to use it. If you want to use it like this, have it laid out on your coffee table or your kitchen table or whatever you want to do, or have it, as a flip this way. Whichever way you want to do. Okay, now I wanted to show you. This. Not this. This is just a thing I have things in. This is what I wanted to show you. It's called Nature Time Fun Paper Dolls Journal Kit. Okay? And it is going to be awesome. I'm going to show you the cover. And let me get it up closer. So many new paper dolls, but they'll look familiar because, well, with paper dolls, you use the same, like the same head with different clothes and different things like that. Put things together differently. So, yep, Nature Time Fun. And here's the first page. I'm not going to show you anymore, but, you'll see it all in April. And it is ginormous, guys. Look how thick this is. It's 50 plus pages. Seriously. Huge. Beautiful. So much fun we're going to have. Just giving you a little bit of a sneak peek. But it's closed up and safe till it's time. Okay? I had to share. I've been having so much fun putting it together. It's a thing. So, get your calendar freebie on the website, on Ko-Fi, on the Facebook group page. And it'll be this page only once, because you can print it out as many times as you want. This page, you can print that out twice to make the pocket. And that's already been listed. So this page and this page. Do what you want. Fussy cut out your paper dolls when your month is gone. And put them on a board like I did the other ones. Oh, hold on a minute. I'll show you some of my new ones. Okay, this is some of my, I've been having so much fun. I've been switching them out on my gallery wall. Now these are just canvas boards, okay, and then the paper dolls are cut out. Aren't they just adorable? I mean, come on, man, that's adorable. Then we've got these little girls. This is one of the ones from the calendar. Later, you'll see her. I think this one is in the Nature Funds. You'll see them all. Just, aren't they just the sweetest, cutest? I mean, gosh. Now, she was in Farm Time Fun. Yep. And so was she. And her. I think he was too. Now, these are the, we've been working on those mice. These are some of my little miceys. And they're going up on the gallery wall as well. They're in the Mouse Village. So, I had to share. So yeah, so this particular Friday, I think I'm going to try to make sure I'm saving some time to share some fun things that I'm doing that aren't on camera that maybe you guys might like to see. I like to share, so hopefully you like to see. Okay, that's all my stuff for today. You guys go make something pretty today. Something super cute. Take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.